reiterating her demand for removal of Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra Teni from the Union Council of Ministers over the Lakhimpur Kheri incident. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Thursday said that justice has not been served yet and she will continue to fight for it. Justice is a right in a democracy and justice is not served yet. Every eyewitness has identified MOS Home's son and had said that he was involved in the matter. The union minister needs to resign to ensure an unbiased investigation, she told media persons. All the affected families I met yesterday only demanded justice. The police force was used to stop the opposition leaders but not to arrest the accused, she added.
इस देश में लोगों को न्याय का अधिकार है और अभी तक न्याय नहीं मिला है, क्योंकि अभी तक जो मंत्री हमारे जो गृह राज्य मंत्री हैं, उनके बेटे को सारे वीडियोस में सबने पहचाना है और जो वहाँ पे मौजूद थे चश्मदीद गवाह, वो सारे कह रहे हैं कि उनके बेटे इन्वॉल्व थे इस मामले में। तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि न्याय कैसे मिलेगा अगर वो मंत्री रहेंगे, उनके अंडर आता है ना ये सब। किसानों से तो जब तक वो रहेंगे, जब तक वो बर्खास्त नहीं होंगे, तो कौन एक निष्पक्ष जांच करेगा? क्या पुलिस सिर्फ नेताओं को रोकने के लिए है कि अपराधियों को रोकने के लिए? और मुझे बगैर FIR गिरफ्तार किया, कोई कागज़ नहीं दिखाया, कल तक भी कोई कागज़ नहीं दिखाया, कोई मैजिस्ट्रेट के सामने पेश नहीं किया, जितने भी नियम हैं सारों का उल्लंघन किया मुझे गिरफ्तार करने के लिए, और इनके लिए बस FIR काफ़ी। और इन्होंने अपनी गाड़ी के नीचे 6 लोगों को कुचला है। ये एक लोकतंत्र है, यहाँ न्याय आपका अधिकार है और इसके लिए मैं लड़ूंगी जब तक ये मंत्री बर्खास्त नहीं होगा, जब तक ये लड़का गिरफ्तार नहीं होगा, तब तक मैं बिल्कुल अडिग रहूंगी, क्योंकि मैंने उन परिवारों से वचन दिया।
Congress delegation including Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra met the family of deceased farmers in the Lakhimpur Kheri district on Wednesday. Earlier on Wednesday, Priyanka had said that voices of justice for the farmers are being muffled by the Bharatiya Janata Party government. Uttar Pradesh police on Tuesday registered an FIR against Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and 11 others for disturbing peace in the state. A total of 8 people, including 4 farmers, died in the violence that took place in Lakhimpur Kheri on October 3. Samyukta Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of several farmer unions, alleged that Ashish Mishra Teni, son of Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Mishra Teni, arrived with 3 vehicles around the time that farmers were dispersing from their protest at the helipad and mowed down farmers, and towards the end also attacked SKM leader Tajinder Singh Virk directly by trying to run a vehicle over him. However, Ashish Mishra refuted SKM's allegations and said he was not present at the spot where the incident took place. Minister of State Teni also said that his son was not present at the spot, adding that some miscreants mingled with protesting farmers and pelted the stones at the car which led to the unfortunate incident. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.